Saving money the Japanese way often incorporates cultural principles of frugality and mindfulness. Here are some effective strategies. Now you got the Kakeibo Method. I'll put it all in the description. This traditional Japanese budgeting technique involves writing down income and expenses in a notebook. It helps you reflect on spending habits and encourages conscious saving. All right. Now you got minimalism. So basically, embrace a minimalist lifestyle by reducing clutter and focusing on quality over quantity. So, but you only buy what you only truly need, which can help you cut unnecessary expenses. Prioritize expenses over things. All right, that's another thing. Instead of spending on travel or hobbies, this fosters a satisfaction without accumulating clutter. Utilize envelopes. That's another thing. Allocate your budget in different envelopes for specific spending categories. This physical method can help limit overspending, all right? And basically, it's the best thing to do. So, meal planning is another one. Plan your meals ahead of time to reduce waste and save money. Cooking at home is basically healthier and more cost effective than dining out. All right, now community sharing is another thing. Participate in community sharing or bartering systems. Sharing resources with friends or neighbors can reduce costs and strengthen community ties. By adopting these Japanese-inspired savings techniques, you can cultivate a mindful approach to your finances and enhance your overall well-being.